Good morning, guys. Good morning, man. Let's get the coffee going. Yes, yes, yes. I wanted to get up early and give you a little message here, and it's actually not even early. It's like 7 o'clock. Sun's been up for a few minutes now, you know. But I wanted to get up at sunrise and talk to you guys. You gotta be like photographers out here. See, photographers know the trick to success. There's something called the magic hour. And the magic hour is when you get the perfect lighting, The magic hour is when the sun is rising, just breaking over the horizon. In fact, the magic hour comes twice a day, right? Photographers know there's the magic hour in the morning, and then there's the magic hour in the afternoon, in the evening, when the sun's setting. And it's that perfect time to take a picture because the sun's just right. Get soft shadows, soft lighting as the sun's going behind the horizon. But the trick is that photographers know this, and they know the key to success is based on external circumstances. So it's out of their comfort zone, possibly. They may have to wake up to catch that sunrise, or they may have to be somewhere, some other place at a specific time. Like, you can't leave your house at the magic hour as a photographer. You have to be there ahead of time with your equipment set up to get that shot, That's how we have to be if we want to be successful, guys. We have to be there with our equipment set up at the right time, which is ahead of time. We have to be ahead of time to be successful. We can't do it on our time when it's convenient for us. I'll do it after that. No, ain't no after. If you want to be successful, you got to do it at the magic hour. The magic moment, which may not be your moment. It's when it's go time. It's when the settings are just right. When you got the proper lighting. When the gear's there. When the opportunity's there. I guess that's the key. The magic hour is when you have that opportunity. And that may not be on your time. Alright? It's time to go, baby. It's time to go. But yeah, take your little morning walk success. A walk of success. The success walk. That's what we're going to call it. Get you up in the morning. Get you thinking. Get you moving. Took my mug. I thought I was just going to stand out in front of the house and say a few things. We ended up walking around the whole block, man. We're just going to go. Hey, at least that gets the blood moving, right? Take you guys around my neighborhood. But yeah, back to this success. We want it. We got it. There's no secret to that. That's not a secret. If you want it, you have to get it. You're going to have to put in extra work. You're going to have to wake up early. You're going to have to stay up late. And that's why people don't get it. Because they don't want to stay up late. They don't want to wake up early. They don't want to have to be on site, on location like a photographer at the magic hour. They want to do it on their time. And on their time, they're sitting at home broke. On their time, they're sitting around watching football for 3 hours. Or sitting there staring at Facebook for who knows how. Go check your phone now. You can check your time log. Go look how much time you spend on social media. You can see it. Don't fake the funk. Don't be sitting out there faking the funk, wondering why life ain't the way you want it, and you not grinding. It's Sunday, okay? Get to work, baby. This is the day the Lord had made. He said it's the Sabbath, all right? So you ain't got to go work for them, but you can definitely work for yourself. That's right. A lot of people got a lot of time to pray today. Hey, let's slow it down. Real talk, hold on. Let's lock the exposure, baby. Lock the exposure. This is going to be a funny video. Because it's going all over the place. Hey, check this. Check this. All right. Today is the day the Lord has made, man. We're not going to work for other people, but you can definitely go to work for God. Go to work for the universe. And I'm not saying with just your prayers and asking for help. Because, man, sometimes I think God tired of hearing your prayers, tired of hearing you ask for something. Sometimes I think God just want to hear you say thank you. Just say thank you. You're alive today. We breathing, baby. You know, a little prayer of gratitude. That leaves the airwaves open for communication. We praying and asking all the time and grieving all the time, don't leave the airways open for anything. They don't leave God in your room to speak to you. When you say just thank you, that leaves a lot of space. The universe can talk now. It can say something, you know? When you say thank you, that forces you to look inside. Think about all that you have, what you're grateful for, you know? You wake up and start feeling comfortable like this. Walk around the neighborhood talking to yourself. Got the sun rising in the back, man. That's beautiful. Family can probably hear me on the other side. This is good stuff, man. This is good stuff. I should have went live.